Have you ever heard people say it's either a marriage or a mortgage? Well, we just bought our dream home and we're going to be using it as our wedding venue. So in a way, I guess you could say we got both. If you don't know us, we typically find furniture on the side of the road and give it another life. And in this instance, we are going to kind of change up what we normally do because I want to share the process with you guys. But basically, we have 60 days, literally 60 days from today, to fix up this back area and transforming it into our dream wedding venue. We are currently scraping the peeling paint and going to be painting it, so stay tuned.
We have only 47 days until our wedding. And it's going to be in our backyard.
I'm out of breath. You whisper gently to the silent trees.
Watch us turn our new fixer-upper into our dream venue.
I won't forget. You know the secrets of the late night breeze. It's all pretend. Don't you worry now. Don't you worry now, my love. Your day was rough.
36 days until our backyard wedding.
Our fencing has arrived.
Tyler's dad came to lend a hand. While the guys worked on the fence, I decided to repaint the back door. We added even more fence pickets for extra privacy. "35 days until our backyard wedding. Time to tackle these floors. We decided to do a checkerboard pattern. "34 days until our backyard wedding. We ordered 200 bags of rock.
Our rock is arriving.
"31 days until our backyard wedding. This tree trunk had to go. We wanted to add a decorative gable to our shed. decided to paint the shed door the same color as our back door. Our backyard wedding is in 28 days. Let's build some tables. We used our old fence panels as the top. 27 days until our backyard wedding. Let's start to set the vibe.
Following a shadow down to the graveyard. Gonna say a prayer, gonna pay my dues. I've been running wild ever since I left Virginia, trying to find a face that might remind me of you. I can see the sunlight rising in the mountains, orange and red in the morning sky. I know that the world is ever steady changing. Lord, give me wings so I could fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away.
24 days until our backyard wedding. Let's add some lighting.
Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see?
Our custom neon sign finally arrived.
I'm wanting more, this is so unreal. I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone.
21 days until our backyard wedding. We have the perfect use for our leftover plywood. Let's make an arched backdrop for our bar. "20 days until our backyard wedding. It's finally time to build our wedding arch.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close. before. It's one way or the other.
16 days until our backyard wedding. I decided to surprise my fiancé with his wedding ring. "14 days until our backyard wedding. Let's make something out of these old windows.
Pay attention to sound, the one that's coming from your mouth. Don't mean to turn it upside down, I really wanna hear you out. I can't know how it is to be where you so calmly sit. When I'm further my own, there it is.
13 days until our backyard wedding. Let's make a flower wall. Days until our backyard wedding. Let's go thrift for the rest of the decor. Days until our backyard wedding. Let's set the table. Until our backyard wedding. We almost forgot to build our sweetheart table.
Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see? Awake on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. Must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be?
One day until our backyard wedding.
This is it, life's not infinite. It's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Will it click? Looking for the next new fix. Is this the new kind of sick? Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting?
0 days until our backyard wedding.
I'm sitting right here, cease asleep. Can you make it up here and set my mind at ease? I'm on top of the roof, you've been here before. I just miss you a lot, and I know that I got to let you know. Somebody said you are the last one of your kind.